Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Inalsa Spruce Vacuum Cleaner. This is a 1200 watt vacuum cleaner. It comes with powerful suction power, inbuilt blower function, 2-liter washable dust bag full indicator, easy carry handle, auto cord rewinder, 4-meter long cord, 360-degree rotation front wheel, airflow control on handle, accessory storage on unit, and universal front wheel. There's no other information on the box, so I'll open it and show you what's inside. Okay, right on top we have this flexible nozzle. This is the main unit of this vacuum cleaner. Every attachment will be attached to basically this end. As you can see, this end of the vacuum cleaner. I'll remove it from here. We also have two extenders. So these extenders are for when you want to reach places that generally your vacuum cleaner cannot. Now let's move on. Let's see what other things we have. We have some extra component parts. This is a blower vent. This only comes with vacuum cleaners that has both blower functionalities in them. This looks like a multi-purpose brush. One second, there you go. This is a multi-purpose brush attachment, and this is the floor/carpet cleaning attachment that comes with almost every vacuum cleaning set. Do we have any more attachments? Okay, we have a 2-in-1 crevice cleaner. So this is something that you use to clean crevices and corners, like for instance your keyboard, between the keycaps. When the dust settles there, you can use this attachment to clean that part. Anything more we have? No, this is it. Let's take out the vacuum cleaner. So we have a instruction manual for the Inalsa Spruce Vacuum Cleaner. Every component is listed and everything that you want to know can be found here. There's also a 6 months extended warranty card from Inalsa as well. And this is the vacuum cleaner in question. This is a very compact vacuum cleaner, not the largest but not the smallest either. It's very compact. It has this nice red and black color combination. Notice the Spruce and Inalsa logo over here. There are two wheels at the back, and these are basically used to control the power cord. I will show that to you. So the power cord can be extended from here like so, and once you're done using them, you can just press this button to get it back. This I think is a power button. I'll show it to you in a while. Let's quickly see what other things we have. There's a vent at the back, so when you use it as a vacuum cleaner, air will blow out from this area. Underneath we have this 360-degree swivel wheel as well. So this is the wheel that allows you to turn this vacuum cleaner in every direction possible. What else do we have? There is okay, so you can take off this part by like so. There's a button at the front over here, so you pull on this button and there you go. This is I don't know if you can see this, but this is the 2-liter bag where all the dust goes in. I'll put this back in. So this is it. This is what the vacuum cleaner looks like, and we can try using it. Let me show you how to use it, like basic functionalities. You will need this flexible nozzle to use it, of course. This is the part that goes in over here like so, and we are good to go. Now when I turn it on, to turn it on I will need to connect it to a power source, of course, so let me do that first. Now if I turn on this particular device, you're pressing this button. So you can see it works pretty well. So once you're done using it, you can disconnect from the power source and press this button, and the wire will come right back. And this is it. This is what you find inside the box containing the Inalsa Spruce Vacuum Cleaner. Thank you for watching.